everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ritika. I am a content creator from Chennai. I create content around skincare, makeup and curly hair, and today I'm going to be recreating a look from the K-pop idol Hwasa. I hope I'm saying her name right. From Mamamoo. It's been a while since I did a YouTube video, okay, and I was like, I don't know, I've just been like super busy because I've been working at Faye. You guys know I have a whole video actually announcing it. It's been wonderful, but it is a lot of work combined with my Instagram, which I put a lot of heart, soul and effort into, so you better go check it out. It's called At the H2s, and today I am going to be recreating a makeup look from Hwasa. This is the look I'm going to be recreating. Gotten into K-pop like crazy. I have become a K-pop stan. I love everything about it. I know too much about too many idols now and it's crazy. But the reason I'm doing this makeup look is because of Supriya from Superwoman. It's kind of awesome that I'm going to be collaborating with her. We kind of connected on Instagram and we decided to do a collab. So it's insane how I'm going to be collaborating with her. Honestly speaking, I don't know much about Hwasa. I am so sorry. My favorite K-pop groups have been Stray Kids, BTS, GOT7, those kind of guys. I haven't gotten into too many K-pop girl groups, so that's why I don't know much about Mamamoo themselves. But I thought it would be rude to create Hwasa's look without listening to their songs. So yeah, I did listen to like a couple. I listened to Hip and then Aya. By the way, I'm wearing like a blazer and all. This is my dad's blazer. I kind of didn't have anything to wear. I've been wearing the same thing over and over and over and over on my content. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to raid my dad's closet and check if there's anything new that I can wear. And that's why I have the blazer. I'm just going to kind of tie up my hair. Like I said, it's been a long time since I did a YouTube video. But honestly, I have been working really hard on Instagram and as obviously on Faye Beauty as well. I'm going in with concealer. I'm just gonna do my normal base. Also, I apologize for the audio. Cyclone Nivar has hit the city, so I don't really have clear audio because of that, because it's been raining. Anyway, I'm going to color correct now. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade orange. Why am I so tired from just like talking? Oh my god. Hwasa's look is actually very, 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 very beautiful. It's like, it looks like an everyday makeup look, but it has a lot of neutral darker tones. She has beautiful glossy lips. I don't know where I'm gonna go for that gloss because I don't have gloss at home. Yeah, she has like beautiful brows. Oh my god, she's just so beautiful. There's just so much K-pop content that I just don't know how to like consume it sometimes. There's a show and then there's another show and then there's another show, and then I just use my fingers because it's easier. I haven't watched any show in like a few months because I've just been into K-pop, so I just watch a lot of K-pop stuff. I don't really watch any shows anymore because I feel like it's a lot of commitment, you know. Go in with my beauty blender. I just applied a little bit of the Nykaa foundation. This is in the shade 05 Golden Honey, and yeah, this is the Skin Genius. This is like the first foundation that they came out with. Newly washed beauty blender to blend it out. Kind of feel sad about it, but yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out off camera. I actually went ahead and did my concealer as well because my camera battery was dying and I needed some more time to like do everything. So now I'm actually going to do this Sugar Cosmetics powder. This is the translucent powder from Sugar. Ooh. In the photo, in the reference photo that I have, she actually, it looks like she doesn't have much makeup, but she does, and her skin is like super dewy and beautiful. But honestly, I don't know if I can achieve that, so I'm gonna try and do that. But I'm gonna set the places that I normally do set, which is under my eye, on my eyelid and around my mouth, because I do use a lot of concealer. I went in with corrector and things like that, so I want to make sure that doesn't move. For brows, I'm going to go in with Brash. This is the Brush in dark brown. If you guys want to get this, you can get it with 8% off on Faye Beauty using my code FayeRitika, or you can go on Sublime Life and get it for 10% off. I'm actually going to flip it up a little bit and bring up the brows a little bit. It's sort of defined. It's defined but not really like fully filled in, so I'm going to try and replicate that, but I don't know if I can. Let's just try. Now, just to give it a little bit of a clean up, because she has a very clean brow and it looks like they didn't really draw it on. It looks like the shape of her brow itself is like that. So I am going to go in with a brow pencil like this. This is from Mumuso, and I'm just going to draw around here because I want to give it a little bit of a neater look. The good thing about brush is that you can actually go in and like still brush out the brows if you want to. Brows are done. Now I'm going to go in with my eyelids, which I'm a little bit nervous about, but let's just get started. I also washed my brushes recently, so I'm very happy about that. They're all very clean. I am not very happy about dirtying them. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this palette. This is a very, very old palette that I got from Dubai like a long time ago. It looks like they have a lot of metallics going on. There's not a lot of mattes from what I can see. She also has fake lashes, but I'm not going to do fake lashes because I had a style and I don't want to like aggravate it as much. I want to like try not to use as much makeup as possible. So I'm going to go in with this shade. This is like a dark brown. With a darker shade, I'm going to do this purple. Honestly, I don't know if she has a lot of purple or not. It has a little bit of a darker shade, like a darker bronze, and I don't have that, so I'm just gonna take a PAC 210 brush and just blend the outer edges, and I'm taking a little bit of black and see what happens. Let's see. It's like a little bit of black right there, like in the inner corner, and then like a little bit on the outer corner. I'm just placing it, and then like that. Okay, now I'm gonna take the PAC 210 and just oh my god, I feel like now it looks so much more closer to what she has. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. I'm gonna add a little bit of Ritual Metallic on the center to like brighten it up a little bit more, because I feel like that's lost a little bit. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then blend it out. I don't know if it looks like hers, but I really like this look. It's very different from what I normally do. So she has like a liner going on, but it's a black shadow. So I'm just gonna use the black shadow from the Tati palette and just go right on the lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kiko Milano lash primer and just do my lashes real quick. This is the Boss Lady Cosmetics highlighter. I recently got it in PR, so I'm gonna try and use this. She has highlighter, I feel like almost everywhere, or it's not even highlighter, she just has like beautiful skin. Boss Lady Cosmetics NYX lipstick. I think I have something similar to that. This is the Boss Lady Cosmetics Skinny Dipping lip shade. I'm just gonna use that really quickly. This is from Chambord and this is like broken, but I'm gonna try. I love the lips. I think it looks pretty similar. For now, I'm gonna go in with Rash Jet Black for my lashes really quickly. Now I'm gonna actually go in with MAC Fix Plus. Shalini from Your Shane has actually gifted this to me, so I'm very happy about that. I'm just gonna use this all over. Let's see. I've never used MAC Fix Plus in my life before, so yeah, I'm just gonna spray. And this is the look I ended up doing, inspired by Hwasa from Mamamoo. I really hope you guys check out my Instagram for my collaboration with Supriya from Superwoman. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's been a long time since I did a makeup look like this or a tutorial like this, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell because that really helps me out. I really hope that we can hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Help me reach there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.